तारीख थी 1 अप्रैल 2026 और जगह थी पश्चिम बंगाल के मालदा जिले का कालियाचक गांव। जो आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर इस वक्त देख रहे हैं उसे ध्यान से देखिए। यह कोई फिल्मी दृश्य नहीं है, यह पुलिस की गाड़ी नहीं है जो रात के अंधेरे में किसी खूंखार मुजरिम का पीछा कर रही हो। सच्चाई इससे कहीं ज्यादा खौफनाक और शर्मनाक है।
पश्चिम बंगाल के मालदा में न्यायिक अधिकारियों को बंधक बनाने का मामला लगातार गंभीर होता जा रहा है।
In Malda, 7 judicial officers, let that sink in, 7 officers of the court, including 3 women, were held hostage for over 9 hours.
यह तस्वीर है देश की न्यायपालिका पर सीधे हमले की। यह हकीकत है इलेक्शन ड्यूटी पर गए जजों के काफिले पर भीड़ के उस हिंसक हमले की, जहां जज अपनी जान बचाने के लिए भागने को मजबूर थे। देखिए कैसे एक उग्र भीड़ जजों की गाड़ी को घेरकर उस पर वार कर रही है। अगर देश के जजों को ही बीच सड़क पर बंधक बना लिया जाए और पुलिस हाथ पर हाथ धरे तमाशा देखती रहे तो आप इसे क्या कहेंगे? एक आम घटना या सिस्टम का पूरी तरह से फेल हो जाना? इस बेतुके जवाब पर कोर्ट का जो रिएक्शन था वो हैरान करने वाला था।
One lady
Union of India has no role
was
to play.
under siege is recorded by a journalist crying that my life is in danger, my family is in danger. If something happens to me, please take care of my family.
Mr. Chief Secretary, what is the problem? You don't even entertain the call of the Chief Justice.
But I think he may have to be unmuted.
Milord, there was no call made by any officer from Calcutta to my phone. On 1st of April, I had come to Delhi for a meeting. And from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., I was in flight. And till the evening, no call had come to me, Milord. Mr. Chief Secretary, the phone calls in all probability came in the evening after you had deboarded from your flight to Delhi. It would have been extremely helpful for the Chief Justice and the High Court administration if you had been kind enough to share your mobile number and other particulars. Milord, my mobile number had been shared, but that number didn't have... That number is mostly switched off, Mr. Chief Secretary. Milord, that number is not mostly switched off, Milord. That number is more secure and its connectivity is better, Milord. That's why during the attendance so high that the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court or the High Court administration cannot access. So please lower yourself a bit so that ordinary minions like the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court can access you. At least we can have an access to the Chief Justice of the Chief Secretary.
Not if.
Milord, I am extremely apologetic regarding this miscommunication. I didn't have an apology to the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. This if you don't expect at least from the Chief Secretary that you refuse to acknowledge the Chief Justice of the High Court to whom for no reason, and it's only because of sheer failure of your civil administration, your person sitting on your side, the police administration. It is sheer failure of both of you and your administration that we gave this authority to the judicial officer. And because of your lack of communication, the Election Commission of India is kept in the dark. You don't communicate either with the High Court administration, neither do you communicate with the Election Commission of India, which is entrusted with giving directions to you in cases of emergency like this. And this missing link creates so much of difficulty and disturbance in the state.
But if I may, on 2nd, he was before the Election Commission in Delhi.
We are aware of the fact that has been recently posted. His phone is inaccessible of your institution.
I'll respond to that.
Direct office of the Director General of Police, the office of the Chief Secretary. What kind of credibility this West Bengal bureaucracy has brought to this? Why the entire state is seen as if the politics is being played even in the secretariat or in offices? please help in improving that image and do something, whatever being appropriate at least at this stage. We really don't want to take it. It is not something that senior most officers should invite the adverse comments or any penal action from us. We also don't enjoy and we don't like this kind of undesirable or avoidable kind of orders. But when you compel us, then of course we have to perform our duty.
In fact, Lord, I must say both they were pointed to
The Director General of Police, 11:30, the Chief Justice is telling me on phone that there is a limit to inaccessible Director General of Police to arrive at the
informed. The Honorable Chief Justice was informed.
Lord,
That for
I mean-
hours on end, efforts
say
were
so.
made to
No, Lord.
get access to
I
the
may
Chief
say so, Lord.
Secretary. Even the Home Secretary is unable to
Yes, no,
contact the
Lord,
Chief
Lord, may I just say this? Lord, there's a WhatsApp group. In fact,
Mr. Luthra, please don't defend this.
I'm not defending, Lord. I'm just telling you-
Has a very strong, obstinate character of bureaucracy, and it is not in this state because now there is a lot of turmoil that we are facing it. In other states also the things are not good.
I understand.
The way they are being pampered, unfortunately.
What has fallen from my Lord Justice Bagchi is not something is very clear, Lord. It'll be
Please, whatever way you at least have a word of apology before the Chief Justice and try to redeem what you have done
It'll be
in the
done.
past.
It'll be done. It'll be done. It'll be done, Lord. That's
मालदा का यह मामला सिर्फ एक राज्य की कानून व्यवस्था का फेल होना नहीं है। यह सीधे तौर पर हमारी न्यायपालिका के सम्मान और सुरक्षा पर एक बहुत बड़ा प्रहार है। सोचकर देखिए, अगर वो लोग ही सुरक्षित नहीं हैं जो न्याय की कुर्सी पर बैठते हैं, तो इस देश का आम आदमी सिस्टम से क्या उम्मीद कर सकता है? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आर्टिकल 142 का इस्तेमाल करके यह कड़ा संदेश तो दे दिया है कि जब सरकार और प्रशासन फेल होंगे तो देश की सबसे बड़ी अदालत मूक दर्शक नहीं बनेगी। अब केस की पूरी कमान NIA के हाथ में है और अब देखना यह होगा कि जजों पर हुए इस प्री प्लान्ड हमले के असली मास्टरमाइंड कब बेनकाब